Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we're going to take a quick look at flag and ensign etiquette and also talk a little on day shapes. As usual, we'd like to give a big shout out to all of you who left such positive and encouraging comments on our channel. Feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for future videos. Right off the bat folks, this is a flag and this is an ensign. Yes, well done. There's no difference really. A flag is an object and an ensign is a representation. They're basically one and the same. This, however, is a chart, not a map. Don't ever call it a map, ever. Especially not on social media. If you call this a map on social media, you will meet people like Captain Know-it-all, who will revel in your stupidity, bombard you with insults, and call for your immediate expulsion. This will increase your stress levels, decrease your friends. You might even lose your membership to the yacht club. Then one day you go sailing with the wife, she calls us a rope around a drummy thingy, you lose your cool, it's World War III, and before you know it, your dream is up for sale. The first flag we'll look at represents the country in which the vessel is registered. This national flag or ensign is flown from the stern of the vessel, usually during daylight hours or when leaving and entering port. When a vessel enters foreign waters, as a show of respect, you would raise a courtesy flag representing that country. We fly a courtesy flag from the starboard spreader. If the skipper of the vessel or any other VIP on board is of a different nationality than the vessel registration, then we can fly this person's ensign on the starboard spreader, but always beneath the courtesy flag. Please consult local regulations regarding courtesy flags, their flying times and positions, as there are some exceptions to the norms. Please don't crucify us for any differences between European and American standards, but rather leave informative comments. We now return to our regular programming. Our next set of flags are our International Nautical Signal flags. There are 26 such flags, each one representing a letter of the phonetic alphabet. Each flag also represents its own internationally recognized meaning, and some of these might include flags we are familiar with. They include the diver below flag, the man overboard flag, we require medical assistance flag, and the well-known Free Pratik flag. Free Pratik states that our vessel is healthy and we request clearance into port. This flag is better known as the Q flag or quarantine flag. The quarantine flag is raised under the courtesy flag and will remain there till the vessel and its crew have been checked by immigration and customs, after which it can be removed. Still to come, it's not a flag, but still a vital source of information. We take a look at day shapes. The next set of flags we look at are known as Burgees. Burgees represent an affiliation to a certain boating organization. You could be a member of any such group, but most times Burgees represent membership to a particular yacht club or geographical area. Traditionally, Burgees used to be flown from the masthead, but recent times have seen the Burgee move to the starboard spreader. So, as promised, let's take a look at day shapes, of which we have 4. First we have the ball, then we have the cone, a cylinder, and finally a diamond. These day shapes are usually collapsible and easy to store, and when in use, they should be visible from the forepart of the vessel. Sailboats use two of these shapes more frequently than others. The anchor ball, while at anchor, and the motor sailing cone, while motor sailing. Other vessels, however, use these frequently, and the many combinations need to be learned. Alternatively, keep a cheat sheet nearby. In bad visibility or at night, these shapes will be replaced by lights, for which there are many combinations, as well as possible sound signals. Below in the description, you will find links to high-res copies of day signal flag and day shape definitions.